Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be making a cocktail based on a nostalgic fruit snack, the Cherry Blaster. Remember when those were 5 cents at the convenience store? Anyways, I've seen a few recipes for a Cherry Blaster or Cherry Bomb, but they never have the right tartness and brightness that the Cherry Blaster has, so I figured I'd give it a try. But before anything, get a coupe ice cold, as we'll be serving this up. For ingredients, you'll need Campari to add the appropriate sharpness, white rum to help thin the cocktail and add some proof, as the remaining ingredients will be relatively sweet and viscous, like cherry liqueur. My go-to is Luxardo, lemon juice to add some tartness and brightness, Chambord to add another red fruit dimension but also a bit of an artificial layer, and some bright red maraschino cherries to add another cherry fruit layer and for garnish. Once your coupe is safely chilling, gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, shaker tin, maraschino cherries, and add 4 or so into your shaker tin. Get your go-to jigger on standby and prepare to muddle, just enough so they're a bit squashed. Then measure 1/3 ounce of Campari, an ounce of lemon juice, though I'm sure you could safely use lime juice as well, ¾ ounce of cherry liqueur, ¾ ounce of Chambord, and ¾ ounce of a nice white rum. Add a scoop of ice and shake well for 12 seconds. Remove your coupe from the fridge and gently strain your cocktail into it. Prepare your garnish of 4 cherries in 1, 2, 3, and crown your coupe. And there you have the Sour Cherry Blaster. Now let's have a taste. As you likely imagine, there's lots of red fruit, especially cherry on the front, brightness from the layering of the fresh lemon juice and the white rum, and the finish has a gentle tartness thanks to the Campari. A delicious cocktail perfect to pair with a fall evening or a slasher film. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite Halloween candy? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.